Pinambing. Pinambing. And, paano talambing? Ipapabuhat. Ipapabuhat sa akin pag nakikita kami for like very long time. Say siguro mga couple of months, and then nakikita kami dito. Ipapabuhat yun sa akin parang baby. And she would always appreciate her time na nilulungkot yan, tuturutin yung baby ko. Since ako wala na ng hair, akong ulo, bibilabutan akong kami. So, very mga ganun namin.
Alam hindi ko alam ng marami, pero alam din ito ng marami dahil bukas sa maraming buhay. Lumaki ka talaga kasama sa Ate Dayo. Over your school in the last couple of years.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yes, yes. Perfectly. That was
Early 2000.
yeah, I think it was around 20 years when I returned back to show business.
Pero before and after that,
Hanapin mo yung Jeffrey.
Manu ang kasama.
Matawag
Yeah,
na
but
ako.
I was
Gan.
Teka muna.
And that was the time I had the chance to
Jen, patawad ha. Love,